Unit 7 test review number 18. 18 is a log equation. 4 log base 6 of 4x equals 12. Here I want to isolate the exponential. Note that 4x is attached to the log. In order to isolate it, I need to get rid of what's outside the log. So I'm going to divide by 4. I'm not dividing what's attached to the log or inside the log by 4, just what's on the outside. So I get log base 6 of 4x equals 3. Since my log is now isolated, I can convert it to exponential form. The base is 6, exponent is 3, and it equals 4x. 6 cubed is 216. And then to solve for x, I'm going to divide by 4. So x equals 54. For number 19, we have another log equation. So it's positive 1 plus log base 7 of r minus 4 equals 2. So here is my log, and I need to get it by itself. To get it by itself, what's on the outside is a plus 1, so I'm going to minus 1 from both sides. So log base 7 of r minus 4 equals 1. Now that my log is isolated, I'm going to convert it to exponential form. So 7 raised to the 1 equals r minus 4. 7 to the 1 is 7. And add 4. So r equals 11.